Hello everyone. Welcome back to your daily dose of space. Space doesn't slow down. Every week, new discoveries land that reshape what we thought we knew about the universe. Some small, some absolutely mind-bending. And this week, we got 3 of the biggest updates in months. NASA has confirmed dozens of new exoplanets, including one mysterious world sitting right inside the habitable zone of its star. The James Webb Space Telescope captured the clearest image ever taken of planets being born, literally catching a solar system in the making. And the supermassive black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy is acting strange again, and astronomers think something fundamental might be changing around it. So, let's dive into the biggest space discoveries of the week, explained in a way that actually makes sense. NASA confirms 33 new exoplanets. NASA's TESS mission, the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, just confirmed 33 new planets, pushing humanity's total catalog of exoplanets above 5,700. But one of these new worlds immediately caught astronomers' attention. It orbits a quiet K-type star, cooler and more stable than our Sun, and it sits in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist on its surface. The planet, designated TOY 715b, is a super-Earth roughly 1.6 times the size of our planet. That size is important. It suggests it could still be rocky, not a mini Neptune with thick gas layers. But here's where it gets interesting. Early atmospheric modeling hints that this world might have water vapor in the upper layers. That doesn't mean oceans, but it does mean this planet might not be a dead rock. Even better, TESS also detected hints of a second, smaller planet deeper inside the system, also potentially in the habitable zone. If confirmed, it would be one of the smallest, most Earth-like planets ever identified. What makes this discovery even more exciting is that TOI 715b is close enough and large enough that the James Webb Space Telescope can directly study its atmosphere. And yes, JWST is already being prepared to target it in an upcoming observation run. This means that over the next year, we might get actual atmospheric composition data. And who knows, maybe even a first look at biomarkers. If we're going to find life beyond Earth, planets like this are our best hope. JWST captures planet formation in action. Next, let's talk about one of the most beautiful and scientifically rich images Webb has ever released. JWST just observed the young star HD 163296, a system still surrounded by a massive protoplanetary disk. A swirling, dusty ring of gas where planets are literally being born. We've imaged these kinds of disks before, but never like this. For the first time, JWST captured deep spiral arms, perfectly carved circular gaps, ripples caused by forming planets and shockwaves inside the disk. One of the gaps is so sharply defined that astronomers believe it's caused by a Jupiter-mass planet in the middle of carving out its orbit. We are literally watching a baby planet grow. HD 163296 is about 5 million years old, a cosmic newborn, meaning these worlds are still molten, still accumulating mass, still gravitationally shaping the material around them. The Webb data also revealed complex chemistry inside the disk. Water vapor, carbon monoxide, complex organic molecules, and a temperature profile perfect for forming rocky planets. This is something astronomers have wanted for decades, a front row seat to the formation of a solar system. What's even more fascinating is how similar this disk looks to early models of our own solar system, suggesting that worlds like Earth may not be rare at all. Webb's observation is a reminder: planets aren't accidents. They're a natural consequence of star formation. Where there are stars, there are planets. And most of those planets will form in places that look a lot like this. M87's black hole is behaving strangely. Finally, the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87. You probably know it as the first black hole ever photographed. Well, something weird is happening. In the last 48 hours, astronomers analyzing new observations from the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration reported unexpected instabilities in the magnetic field near the event horizon. The jet, that enormous beam of plasma shooting out of the galaxy's core, appears to have shifted in brightness and structure in a way that doesn't match long-term behavior patterns. Here's why that matters. The stability of that jet depends heavily on the magnetic field threading the black hole. So, if the jet changes, it often means the magnetic field is changing too. Some researchers believe the black hole's accretion flow, the disk of hot matter swirling inward, has become temporarily unstable. Others think we might be watching a rare magnetic polarity flip. Think of it like a cosmic scale version of the sun's magnetic field reversal, except happening around a black hole billions of times more massive. If that's true, the Event Horizon Telescope might capture the first ever before and after snapshot of a black hole going through a major phase transition. We're watching in real time as the most extreme object in the universe changes its behavior, something we've never witnessed before. So this has been a big week. A new potentially habitable world joins the growing list of exoplanets TESS continues to reveal. Webb gives us the sharpest look ever at planets forming out of dust and chaos. And the monster black hole in M87 hints that even cosmic giants can surprise us. If you want more weekly space breakdowns just like this, from news to mysteries to deep science, make sure to subscribe for your daily dose of space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.